Hi friends, today in our class we are learning about pranayama techniques. In this I am going to tell you how to do Anulom Vilom Pranayama, which is called also Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. With this Anulom Vilom Pranayama, all the 72,000 nadis in our body will be activated. Please observe and follow my instructions. Before you do these pranayama techniques, you make sure that keep your stomach empty. Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama is a technique which we start our inhalation with left nostril first. Start inhalation with left nostril and exhalation with right nostril. And inhalation with right nostril, exhale with left nostril. That consider as one round. Inhalation from left, exhalation from right. And inhalation with same right nostril and exhale with left nostril. You observe. Do this pranayama technique gently and slowly. Deep inhalation and complete exhalation. Gently close your eyes and start. When you start this pranayama, make sure that keep your mudra. This is called as Nasika mudra. This will be comfortable to perform Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. Now you start inhalation from left nostril first. Gently close your eyes. finish doing this pranayam. And slowly rub both the palms. Gently rub both the palms. Generate some heat. And gently massage on your forehead and eyes. Slowly open your eyes and look into your palms. Like this, we'll do Anulom Vilom Pranayama or Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. It gives tremendous relaxation to the one who do it very slowly and regularly. Try to do this Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama in a regular basis so that you will have tremendous peace in your mind. And those who are facing stress related problems, they will come out of those problems very soon if you do this Anulom Vilom Pranayama regularly.